Welcome to Healthy Sexuality, where we delve into practical and research-backed insights for male and female sexual wellness. If you've ever felt a dip in your energy, confidence, or sexual performance, I want you to know these signs aren't random. They often point to an underlying issue with blood flow, which directly affects your erections, stamina, and overall vitality. In today's video, we'll explore proven ways to restore normal blood flow to the penis, and in turn, help you overcome erectile dysfunction, boost testosterone naturally, and enhance your overall male performance. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips for men's health and sexual wellness. If you find this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps spread this vital message. And let me know in the comments. Type yes if you're ready to make changes, or no if you're just here to learn. 1. Why blood flow matters for sexual performance. Let's set the stage with a sobering fact. Cardiovascular disease remains the top cause of death globally, and erectile dysfunction E-rates are skyrocketing. According to research from the Cleveland Clinic, more than 300 million men could experience ED by 2025. These aren't just random stats. They highlight the tight connection between vascular health and sexual performance. Think of your circulatory system like a complex network of highways. If these roads get blocked by plaque buildup, high blood pressure, or poor lifestyle habits, the traffic of oxygen-rich blood can't reach your penis efficiently. The result? Weaker erections, lower stamina, and potential long-term issues like heart disease. By focusing on blood flow, you're not only improving male performance, but also safeguarding your overall health. A better circulation routine will naturally enhance nitric oxide production, ensuring more robust erections and improved libido. To eliminate smoking to maximize circulation, one of the biggest threats to penile blood flow is smoking, whether it's cigarettes or vaping. Chemicals like nicotine and carbon monoxide cause vasoconstriction, narrowing of the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow into the penile tissue. Studies from the Journal of Sexual Medicine show that smokers are twice as likely to experience erectile dysfunction compared to non-smokers. The good news? Once you quit smoking, your blood vessels begin to recover. According to the American Lung Association, circulation can start improving in just a few weeks, often leading to stronger erections and higher sexual stamina. If you need help quitting, consider nicotine replacement therapy or counseling. Your cardiovascular system and your bedroom confidence will thank you. 3. Use physical activity to increase male performance. Next up is physical activity, the body's natural boost for blood circulation. Whether it's brisk walking, strength training, or aerobic exercise, moving your body helps your heart pump blood more effectively. Research in circulation found that consistent exercise can cut the risk of erectile dysfunction by 30 to 40%. You don't need to be an athlete to reap these rewards. Even 30 minutes of moderate activity most days can ramp up nitric oxide production, relax blood vessels, and improve testosterone levels. Combine cardio, like jogging or cycling, with resistance training, like squats or push-ups, to unlock the full benefits for male sexual wellness. You'll notice enhanced libido, better energy, and of course, more reliable erections. 4. Fuel circulation with a heart-healthy diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your blood flow and male sexual health. A diet high in trans fats, excess sugar, and processed foods can lead to arterial plaque, high cholesterol, and hypertension. On the flip side, nutrient-rich diets, like the Mediterranean diet, are teeming with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber that keep blood vessels elastic. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, high in nitrates that boost nitric oxide. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, rich in omega-3s for a healthier heart and improved blood flow. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, loaded with antioxidants that protect your arteries. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, great sources of healthy fats and beneficial for testosterone. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, high in fiber, helping manage cholesterol and blood sugar. When you prioritize these foods, you're effectively greasing the wheels of your vascular system. Over time, you'll see dividends in both heart health and sexual performance. 5. Manage high blood pressure for stronger erections. Hypertension, high blood pressure, is often called the silent killer. because it can go undetected for years while silently damaging your arteries. A study in hypertension revealed that 70% of men with ED also have high blood pressure. When your arterial walls become stiff and thick, it reduces blood flow to organs, including the penis. To keep blood pressure in check, limit sodium intake. Embrace a balanced diet with fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or therapy if needed. If you're already on blood pressure medication, talk to your doctor about potential side effects on erectile function. Sometimes, a simple medication switch can preserve your heart health without sacrificing your sexual wellness. 6. Prioritize quality sleep for optimal hormone balance. Quality sleep is critical for testosterone production, nitric oxide balance, and overall vascular health. Getting fewer than 6 hours of sleep regularly can spike cortisol, a stress hormone, and contribute to erectile dysfunction. Meanwhile, 7 to 8 hours of consistent rest supports everything from energy levels to blood pressure regulation. Try these tips for deeper, more restorative sleep. Maintain a consistent bedtime. Avoid screens, blue light an hour before bed. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Limit caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Think of sleep as an overnight reset for your body. It's during these hours that your systems recover, your hormones stabilize, and your blood vessels repair, ultimately supporting your sexual health. 7. How these lifestyle factors unite to boost penile blood flow. The magic happens when you combine these strategies into a cohesive plan. Each measure, quitting smoking, exercising, healthy eating, controlling blood pressure, and sleeping well, works together to improve circulation. This holistic approach also strengthens your heart, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and sets the stage for long-term sexual satisfaction. When you address the core issues like arterial health, hormonal balance, and vascular elasticity, you unlock your body's natural capacity to produce firm erections. You'll not only see improvements in the bedroom, but also experience better stamina, mental clarity, and a brighter outlook on life. 8 common myths and practical tips. Myth: ED is purely psychological or a normal part of aging. Fact: while stress and anxiety can worsen symptoms, physical factors like high blood pressure and blocked arteries are often the main culprits. Age alone doesn't guarantee ED. Many older men maintain strong erections by sticking to heart-healthy habits. Pills are the only fix. Fact: Viagra or Cialis can help with symptoms, but lifestyle changes offer deeper, lasting results. You can also explore natural supplements like L-arginine or L-citrulline in tandem with a healthy routine, but they're no magic bullet without the fundamentals in place. Practical tips to get started. 1. Set small goals. Swap your morning pastry for oatmeal with berries. 2. Short exercise bursts. Do 10-minute walks or quick strength sessions multiple times a day. 3. Track habits. Keep a journal of what you eat, how you move, and how well you sleep. 4. Stay hydrated. Aim for 8 cups of water daily to support blood flow. 5. Seek support. Talk to a doctor if you suspect underlying conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or low testosterone. 9. Conclusion: reclaim your sexual vitality. Erectile dysfunction and poor circulation aren't issues you have to accept. By focusing on quitting smoking, regular exercise, heart-healthy eating, blood pressure management, and restful sleep, you can dramatically improve your blood flow and restore normal erections. Think of it as assembling a puzzle. Each lifestyle choice is a piece. When all the pieces fit together, you see the full picture: a healthier, more energetic, and more sexually confident you. Whether you're 30, 50, or 70, it's never too late to take control of your male sexual wellness. If this video resonated with you, type yes in the comments and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people who want to overcome ED and revitalize their sexual health. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.